Today we're diving into 3 fantastic apps that can put cash in your PayPal account instantly, with no holds or minimum payouts. Let's get right into it, starting with Swagbucks. This app is a powerhouse for earning money online. You can earn Swagbucks, or SB, by taking surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. The best part? You can redeem your SB for PayPal cash or gift cards, and the process is super straightforward. Just accumulate your points, hit that redeem button, and watch your earnings land in your PayPal account without any waiting. Next up is Inbox Dollars. This app is similar to Swagbucks but has its unique features. You get paid for reading emails, taking surveys, and playing games. What's great about Inbox Dollars is that you earn cash directly, not points. So when you reach that payout threshold, you can request your payment, and it goes straight to your PayPal, often within a day. Plus, they offer a $5 bonus just for signing up, which is a nice little kickstart to your earnings. Now, let's talk about Rewarded Play. This app is perfect for those who love gaming. You can earn rewards by playing games on your phone. The more you play, the more points you earn, which can be converted into cash. The payout process is seamless, and you can cash out directly to PayPal. It's a fun way to earn while enjoying your favorite games, and there's no minimum payout, so you can cash out whenever you want. Now, here's a bonus tip to maximize your earnings. Use these apps together. By diversifying your earning methods, you can stack your rewards. For example, while you're waiting for a survey to complete on Swagbucks, you could be playing games on Rewarded Play. This multitasking approach allows you to accumulate earnings from multiple sources simultaneously, speeding up your cash flow. Remember, consistency is key. Check in on these apps daily to make the most of your earning potential. Engage with the community, share tips, and stay updated on any promotions or bonuses they offer. The more you participate, the more you can earn. So whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or want to turn this into a more significant income stream, these apps can help you achieve that. Start exploring Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Rewarded Play today and watch your PayPal balance grow.